Alright, so the first thing we're going to make here is the avocado pesto. So I've got some lime juice and some homemade pesto, and I'm adding that to freshly chopped baby spinach. Then you're going to either get some canned or fresh tomatoes, some fresh avocado, and then you're going to just lightly season that with some salt and pepper. If you wanted to add some fresh garlic, you could do that as well. Just depends on how much you like garlic. Then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and a few red pepper seeds, and I'm going to mix that together. So you can kind of smash that avocado up, and then you can mix it up. It doesn't have to be smooth. It can have a little bit of chunky avocado in there. Just kind of depends on how you want it. Take some chicken breast and season them, and then flour them. And then you're going to bread them in a mixture of panko, Parmesan flour, and Italian seasoning. So I just used the traditional egg wash and then breaded the chicken breasts. And then over medium-high heat, I am just browning the chicken in olive oil. And once you've browned it on both sides, you're going to take the pan and stick it in a 375-degree oven for around 15 minutes. And once that is done, you're just going to set it off to the side and let it rest. This is what the finished product should sort of look like. Then you're going to take some orzo, and this is whole wheat orzo, and cook that according to the directions. Then you're going to add that to the avocado pesto, and then once again season that however you want it. And this is what your finished product should look like. So we've got the chicken on the left and the avocado orzo pesto on the right. Now I'm adding some toasted pine nuts on top. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.